It doesn't really matter what type of camping you do. There are certain things that you need when you go out camping, and some things you just can't do without. And one of those things for me is a refrigerator, a way to keep my groceries and my food that I'm going to prepare cold and at the perfect temperature. Good thing for me, I partnered up with a company who I've already gotten a couple of products from, and I absolutely love them. So that company is BougeRV. BougeRV reached out to me and they sent me their new Rocky 40 dual zone refrigerator freezer. I actually just came off a camping trip and I used the previous BougeRV refrigerator that I purchased from them, and although it was great, it worked out well. It was a little bit too small to fit everything that I had in there, but this one, oh my god, it is amazing. Rocky is equipped with LG's large displacement 5.7cc compressor. It can cool down to 20 degrees Celsius at a high temperature of 43 degrees Celsius. So everything you see here comes with your BougeRV Rocky 40. The only thing shown here that's not included with the BougeRV Rocky 40 is the separate battery pack. The battery pack is a must-have in my opinion, because if you are somewhere and you don't have access to charge your refrigerator, this battery, if fully charged, will last you up to 4 hours. It was super easy to install the battery. It only goes in one way, so easy enough, and you'll pull those two yellow levers together and snap it right in place. Now with that, the cover does not go back on once the battery is in there. Right here I'm showing you where if you are using solar power, you'd hook the solar power panels up to this port, and this is your charging port to connect to either your cigarette lighter in your car or into a wall socket. Okay, here's how you'll turn it on by using the battery that is installed instead of plugging it into a wall socket or into your car lighter. To power this unit on, you'll see the current temperature of both the zones of the refrigerator and freezer. So there you can set what you'd like it to be at, or whether you want one side to be a freezer or both freezers, or refrigerator freezer, or you have options. One of the coolest features about this unit is you have access to download an app onto your phone and control your refrigerator via Bluetooth. So if you are in the front seat of your car and your refrigerator is in the back and you need to turn it down or up or whatever adjustments you need to make, you can make that on your phone and you don't have to use the actual buttons on the refrigerator. So I think that's a pretty cool feature to have. This refrigerator comes with 3 conveniently placed cup holders. You also have a bottle opener on the side, so you never have to worry about whether you forgot yours or not. Both sides of the refrigerator have very strong, sturdy handles to hold this. Okay, so now let's take a look at the inside. And look how large these baskets are. There's so much room in here, and even the center divider is removable, so if you'd like to have one large unit and not have the divider, you can do that as well. Okay, so here's the real test for me. Can I fit everything that I need when I'm out camping in here? Let's see. Okay, so I grabbed 3 large frozen meals from out of my freezer, and I also put in here 5 bottles of water, and as you see, I still have plenty of room left, and these things are large. I put a large size lemonade bottle in there and a full bottle of wine, and the top still closes and I have plenty of room. It's so much room in here, I think I could fit everything. The lid on this unit is actually reversible, so you never have to worry about what side you place it, because you can remove the lid and put it on the other side and open from either side. I think BougeRV did an excellent job in designing this refrigerator because it's very stylish and sleek. The stainless steel gives it a very high-end look, and it makes it very easy to clean. Make sure you check out my link and discount code in the description. Thank you for watching.